What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ. I'm going to give you a little tip when it comes to buying mounts for your seadoo ski. So a really big telltale sign, if that's a strong mount and something that the creator believes in, is if they have a tether that you purchase to use their mount with. Kind of a red flag there. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying, it's a $500 camera. Some of you guys are investing a lot of money in this camera equipment, and yes, it does suck to lose one. I have done it myself. And I'm not discouraging anyone from using a tether. You can use a tether with any of my mounts. I just don't sell them because I test my mounts without tethers. That's right. So, guys, feel free to use whatever you feel, but also keep in mind, when you start tying tethers to selfie sticks and you've got these poles extended up, that's also added weight and added drag, and you get more vibration. So that is also why you'll see a lot of these guys out there that are showcasing their mounts, if they actually show you a video of them and they're on smooth water. Another tip: if they're on smooth water and that ski, you're seeing it do this, they've got a lot of vibration. If they get out there in some waves, it's going to be unusable video. Guys, use a mount you can trust. We spend countless hours researching, developing, and testing with video to back it up on our YouTube channel. We don't stop improving, ever. Guys, talk to you next time. We'll see you out on the water. Have fun.